According to a video broadcasted by the Russian Ministry of Defense, the Buk-M3, also nicknamed Viking, medium-range surface-to-air missile system is now deployed in Ukraine for combat operations. A battery of Buk-M3 missiles can track and engage up to 36 targets simultaneously. One its missile is capable of shooting down all existing flying objects, even during active electronic jamming, at a distance of 2.5 to 70 kilometers, at a speed of 3,000 meters per second, and at an altitude ranging from 15 meters to 35 kilometers. A Buk-M3 battery consists of two TELA, transporter, erector, launcher and radar, and one TEL, transporter, erector, launcher vehicle. The turret of the TELA includes a fire control radar and 6 ready-to-fire missiles, while the reloader vehicle can carry 2 blocks of 6 missiles. The Buk-M3 fires the new 9R31M radar-guided surface-to-air missiles with increased range and enhanced overall performance compared with the 9M38 used on the Buk-M1 and Buk-M2.